lower denture removal access hole opening, which can be seen between the prosthetic teeth number 3.3 and 3.4. The lower denture on the model, right side view, showing the use of the dedicated denture removal tool or lever. This fits into this position, and then the patient presses down, and as she levers this down, the denture pops off on this side. She has to repeat that same process on the other side. Lower denture on the model. This is the left side view, showing the use of the dedicated denture removal tool or lever. Same thing, it's positioned into the hole. The patient then pushes down towards her feet, and this pops the denture up. Left side oblique view of the lower implant-supported denture, showing the dedicated lower denture removal access hole openings, which can be seen between the prosthetic teeth 3.3 and 3.4, plus 2 dedicated removal tool levers. And I always provide the patient with at least 2, because they tend to lose them, and so at least there's an emergency spare one at home.